All right, let's just get right into it. You're probably making at least one of these 7 huge ChatGPT mistakes. We're going to fix them right now so you can start getting way better results.
Look, I'm just going to say it. If you've tried ChatGPT and thought, this is kind of generic or this isn't really that helpful, I've got some news for you. The problem probably isn't the tool. It's you. You're using it wrong.
I see this all the time. People get frustrated with the AI, but here's the secret. It's all about the prompt. The quality of what you get out is a direct reflection of the quality of what you put in. So today, we're going to fix the 7 most common mistakes and turn you into a prompting pro.
First up, the mistake that's probably responsible for like 90% of bad AI outputs, being way too vague. You know, it's kind of like telling a taxi driver to just drive, and then getting mad when you don't end up at the airport.
We've all been there, right? You're in a hurry, so you just type in a lazy command like the one on the left. But just look at the difference. The first one gets you a generic, completely soulless template. The second one? It gives you a thoughtful, targeted email that's pretty much ready to send.
And this right here perfectly illustrates the core idea. You got to think of the AI like a junior assistant. If you give them a vague instruction, you're going to get a confused result. But if you tell them exactly what you need, they'll deliver. Specificity is everything.
Okay, moving on to mistake number 2, which is just as common, not providing any context. This is basically like shouting, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" into an empty room. You're not going to get a useful answer because it has no idea where you are. I mean, make this better. Better how? Better for a 10-year-old? Better for a CEO? It's totally meaningless. But when you add the context that it's for a marketing brochure, the audience is new homeowners, and the goal is to be exciting and trustworthy, boom, you're giving the AI the exact recipe for success.
It's really that simple. Your audience, your goal, your industry, all of that stuff is the map that guides the AI from some generic starting point to the precise destination you have in mind. Don't send it on a journey without one.
Okay, get ready for a tip that will instantly level up your prompts. Mistake number 3 is not giving the AI a role or a persona. This is so simple, but it is incredibly powerful.
This is a total game changer. The first prompt will give you this dry, technical explanation that would put anyone to sleep. But the second one, where you tell it, "Hey, you are an expert science communicator," that's going to give you a fun, engaging explanation with cool analogies that a kid would actually get and enjoy.
A role is kind of like casting an expert actor for a part. You don't just get the information, you get it delivered in the most effective way possible. So next time, think about who you want the AI to be. A witty copywriter, a serious academic, a friendly coach. Cast your expert and just watch what happens.
All right, let's talk about making your life easier. Mistake number 4 is just letting the AI dump a giant, messy wall of text on you that you then have to spend like 20 minutes cleaning up and reformatting yourself.
This is such a tiny change that will save you so much time. Don't just ask for a summary. Tell it you want 5 bullet points, or a table with 2 columns, or whatever you need. You're the director here. Tell it exactly what you want the final scene to look like.
I mean, this is the definition of working smarter, not harder. By specifying the format up front, the output is immediately usable. You completely cut out that super tedious step of copying, pasting, and reformatting.
Next up, mistake number 5, trying to get it to multitask. We've all done it. You try to cram 3 or 4 different requests into one long prompt. But this just confuses the AI. It's like trying to have 3 different conversations at once. The quality of everything just suffers.
The bad prompt tries to do 2 things at once and, well, it ends up doing both of them kind of poorly. The good approach is to treat it like a conversation. Get the blog post perfect first. Then, once you're happy with it, ask for the social posts. The result? A great blog post and great social posts, instead of mediocre versions of both.
So yeah, you got to think of it as a creative partner, not a vending machine where you put in 1 coin and get 3 things out. Give it one focused task at a time. Slow down, treat it like a collaborator, and I promise you, you're going to get better results.
Okay, this next one isn't really about what you type, it's about your mindset. Mistake number 6 is being a passive user and just accepting the very first thing the AI spits out. If you do this, you're leaving like 80% of the potential on the table.
Don't just be a consumer of the information. Be a collaborator. Look at this good example. You're not just taking what it gives you. You're pushing it. You're guiding it. You're refining it. Make it funnier. Add a call to action. Hey, try that again, but in a more formal tone.
You have to burn this into your brain. The first answer is just a first draft. It is a starting point for the conversation. The real magic, the truly great stuff, that happens in the back and forth. And finally, we've got the 7th mistake. Treating this incredible creative tool like it's just a slightly fancier Google. They are fundamentally different beasts, built for completely different jobs.
The bad prompt is just a search query. It's asking for a list of facts that already exist somewhere out there. The good prompt, though, is asking the AI to put on its marketing strategist hat and create something new, something tailored, something that didn't exist a second ago. That is the real power here.
So, look, if all of that was a lot to take in, just remember this simple 3-step framework. Before you ever hit enter on a prompt, just ask yourself, have I assigned a role? Have I defined the task? And have I specified the output? If you can say yes to all 3, you're already ahead of 99% of other users out there.
So be honest with me. Which one of these are you guilty of? For me, it definitely used to be accepting the first answer. I just take whatever it gave me and move on. Let me know in the comments which one was the biggest game changer for you. And if this helped you out, a like and subscribe would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and go write some better prompts.